What's next for the US dollar versus the Swiss franc? If you're watching the USDCHF pair, the recent price action is sending some very clear signals. Let's break down the 4-hour chart to see what the technicals are telling us. Right now, the overall picture for USDCHF on the 4-hour time frame is decidedly bearish. The dominant trend has been pushing the pair lower for several weeks, and key indicators are confirming this downward pressure. Taking a closer look at the chart, the first thing that stands out is the strong, established downtrend. The price is making a consistent pattern of lower highs and lower lows, which is a classic sign of bearish control. The moving averages add to this story. The price is trading well below the long-term moving average, which is acting as a dynamic resistance or a ceiling for the price. We can see that attempts to rally have been consistently rejected, keeping the downward momentum intact. The shorter-term moving average also remains below the longer-term one, reinforcing the bearish outlook. So, where are the key levels to watch? For sellers, the trend is currently on your side. A potential selling point could be on a pullback towards a resistance area. Look for any push towards the 0.80 psychological level. If the price struggles to break through that zone, it could present an opportunity for sellers to enter the market. A break below the recent low around 0.79 would be a strong confirmation that the downtrend is continuing. Now, what about the buyers? Trying to go long in this environment is a high-risk counter-trend strategy. For any bullish scenario to gain traction, we would need to see a fundamental shift in the market structure. This means the price would have to decisively break and hold above that major long-term moving average, which is currently sitting up around the 0.81 level. Until that happens, the path of least resistance appears to be to the downside. So, to summarize the key takeaways. First, the USD-CHF on the 4-hour chart is in a strong bearish trend. Second, sellers are in control, with key resistance likely found near the 0.80 mark. And third, buyers should be extremely cautious, as a significant break above 0.81 is needed to challenge the current downtrend. As always, manage your risk and stay tuned for the next market update.